Look at you, Gibbs.
Look at you. You practicing sitting up on the couch? You discover your feet are fun to play with. And you look like a little baby ball. Just all curled up.
I could seriously watch you do this for hours. It's so cute. Look at you. Look at you, baby.
Hi. Hi. Are you gonna smile?
Yeah, you gonna smile for Mommy?
So is your smile.
Yeah.
See, look at me. I'm kind of sitting up here. You know, I kind of sit up on another couch. Oh. Got a little cough? You're getting so big, buddy. Are you gonna talk? Can you say something?
Can you say da da da? You say ma ma ma. Can you say loo loo loo? A da da da.
Look at you, you're pretty good at putting your feet together there. Say da da da. Hi, buddy.
Hi, good smile.
Okay. Let's do it real close up. So the camera, those blue eyes. Oh, you're so sweet. You're so sweet, buddy. Yes, you are. You see Mommy's fingers? Can you grab Mommy's fingers? Grab them. Grab my fingers. Get them. Do 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 do. Do 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 do.
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy. You're so sweet. I just love you. I just love you. Oh, I just want to keep you cute and little like this forever. I just want to remember you like this all the time. Okay, buddy. I'm going to turn this off. Say bye.
My cutie face.